Nigerian actor Stan Nze's wife, Blessing Obasi, who is also an actress, has responded to criticisms over her lesbian inmate role in Blood Sisters 2. My name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Entertainment Recap on the News Chronicle TV. In an interview with Yanga FM, the actress revealed that some Christian viewers were shocked at her performance and didn't feel that like it aligned with her Christian faith. However, she said that they misunderstood what acting and storytelling was. According to her, the production did not support lesbianism and they were careful enough to handle the storyline intricately, avoiding gory scenes or explicit scenes. In her words, she wore her full outfit and there was no goriness. I watched the movie and there was no blatant depiction of any lesbian act. They only depicted it subtly. There was no explicit scene, and she said that this was not in any way to promote same-sex relationship. It was just to showcase the reality of what happens in the prison yard. However, the actress husband Stan Eze has shown his relentless support for his wife. He even said he could not picture that it was his wife as she was into character. Her performance has drawn a lot of praise from a lot of persons, and she said that she would focus on the positive sides rather than the negative criticisms, and I think it's very good for her. On a sad note, late Nollywood actor Alex Ekubo was laid to rest in his hometown at Arochukwu, Abia State. The actor had died on May 11 at Evercare Hospital in Lagos from metastatic kidney cancer and was only 40 years old. Several early celebrities gathered to honor the actor in his hometown, including his best friends Ike Wona, Michael Godson, KC, Obi Kubana, Nancy Isime, and Iniedo, to name a few. It was truly a sad occasion as the actor had lived a rich life. He would surely be remembered by not just his friends in the industry but his family as well. To honor the late actor, veteran actress Omoni Oboli released a film on her YouTube channel titled The First Lady. According to her, the film marked the beginning of her friendship with Alex Ekubo and that the proceeds from the film will go into his family. However, the senior special advisor to Delta State Governor Ossai Ovie did not find the action honorable at all. According to him, he was disappointed with the actress and said that grief is not content. He said neither is a burial a launch date and that she was only doing it to promote her platform and cash out. For more stories like this, be sure to check out our website at thenews-chronicle.com, like this video and share it with your community, and I will see you next time.